Hello friends, today let's check how Government of India is trying to defy Supreme Court directions. Recent example comes from Aadhaar card. Supreme Court has ruled that Aadhaar card will not be compulsory to avail any of the government benefits. It has directed Government of India not to force the citizens to go for Aadhaar card and provide all the benefits to the citizens even if they are not having the Aadhaar number. But the government agencies not seem to take it easily, and they are still trying to force the customers to go for Aadhaar card, and they are creating such an environment, giving such an impression that if they will not get Aadhaar number, they will lose lot of things and they will not be able to get the benefit from the government. Let's see the example of HP gas. Here it is, the HP gas page. I am not having my bank account linked to my HP gas, so I am not getting any subsidy. So if I want to get the subsidy, I will have to join this PEHL program. When I click on this PEHL program, I will be presented with a page which says, if you have an Aadhaar number, click here. If you do not have Aadhaar number, click here to join. So I am not having Aadhaar number, so I will click here. When I click here, I will be presented with another page which will provide me the option to submit my details. Here I have two methods, method 1 and method 2. Method 1 is to submit bank details to the gas company, and method 2 is to submit the LPG details to your bank. So I will go for method 1. I will submit my bank details to my LPG company, that is HP. So I will do it from web mode. So I will go to click here. When I will click here, I will be presented with a page which will appear like this. It will have all my details: consumer unique ID, consumer number, email ID, mobile number, all other things. And what is important to note, that here I will find a message which shows that you have not yet submitted your Aadhaar number to the LPG gas distributor. Due to this reason, subsidy cannot be transferred to this bank account. It is in bold. So when I will see this, I will think that I will not be able to get the subsidy because I have not submitted the Aadhaar, and I will create an impression that Aadhaar is mandatory for me. Then it will ask me that, do you have Aadhaar number? I will click on no. Then again it will give me the options, 4 options it will give me. I want to enroll for Aadhaar. I am not interested in getting Aadhaar. I have Aadhaar enrollment ID but Aadhaar not received, and all these things. What they claim is they will capture your bank account details to seek your input to assist you in obtaining Aadhaar. Still they are wanting the customers to get Aadhaar. When I will click in no, and because I am not interested in Aadhaar, so I will click with this no, I am not interested in getting Aadhaar. The next page which I will get will give me an option: do you wish to provide your bank account information for LPG subsidy? Then I will click on yes and press next. Then I will go to this page where I will have to enter my bank account details. But what all this exercise shows, that HP is still insisting its customers to get the Aadhaar number. They are providing the message in bold so that the customer get the impression that if they are not having the Aadhaar number, they will not be able to get the benefit. So if the customer got stuck on the first page and if he sees the message that I will not be able to get the benefit because I have not submitted my Aadhaar number, it will be little confusion to him. So in this way, the agencies are trying all their best to get the customers Aadhaar numbers. Thank you.